Yeah, look. Hey, hi David. Something to make a few.
Yeah.
I've cleared a channel through there.
Yep.
But it may be that we put a step drill on that. It has to get this off.
Yeah.
What I might do, I've got something else that'll help us here.
Yeah.
The hydraulic levelling legs and the brackets.
Okay.
And that's what we've been fitting here.
Yep.
Onto the chassis, hydraulic leg, tucked up behind the torsion bar.
But the extension is not very high, because I don't know whether there's a four-wheel drive fit.
These jacks, I can get in many sizes. I'll show you an advert of one I've done on an adventure vehicle.
Okay.
12-ton vehicle, and he's got it in the air and the wheels stood that high. So that is because of this. The clearance there.
Yes, that's clearance. That was what I'm concerned about, because I saw your hydraulic is not very deep.
Yeah.
You need a longer one. Because my clearance is about 30
From where?
from the lowest point.
The chassis?
No.
Bottom of the... Oh, from here?
Yeah.
30?
Yeah.
Okay, so... So that's 20.
Yeah.
These are to stabilise the vehicle.
Yes.
You don't need more than 10.
Actually, you're right.
What happened? At the moment, the weight of that vehicle is on this wheel, is on this jack.
Yeah.
So it's as if it was on the ground. When you put the jack down, that touches the ground. And before it takes the wheel off the ground, it lifts all the travel out of the suspension. So the first jack-in element, that touches the ground. The wheel doesn't come off the ground. The cab lifts off the wheel because you're taking all the travel out of the suspension. There might be 100 mil of travel, or 50 mil or 80 mil of travel. Then it's stable. Then if you've parked on bad ground and you still want to go higher, there's still more room.
Okay. It is good for changing tires.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect.
Yeah.
You can control each jack. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Oh, you've got the automatic features.
Okay.
Robust.
This is good.
There is a service panel. Haven't seen that, have you?
No.
Before you leave, I'll show you it.
Okay.